everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to show you all some quiz. So let's start the video without any delay. Quiz number 1. If after 9 days of tomorrow is Sunday, which day was before 8 days of yesterday? The answer is Monday. Quiz number 2. Which is the number on which the same number is added and then the same number is subtracted? The rest number is same. And the answer is 0. Quiz number 3. What is 2 parts of 3 parts equal to 36? The answer is 54. Quiz number 4. What is the cube root of the number 1? The answer is 1. Quiz number 5. A man called his father, "You are my father." Immediately the man replied, "You aren't my son." Now tell, what was the relation between them? The relation between them was of father and daughter. Quiz number 6. Which is bigger out of 5% of 60 and 6% of 50? Both are equal. Make words from the alphabet STILIMBKEOPENR. So the answers are sit, tin, pen, bowl, lit, ten, pot, limb, no, on, liter, etc. There are many more. So quiz number 8. If the day after tomorrow's day after tomorrow is Friday, which day is yesterday the day before yesterday? Isn't it confusing? The answer is Saturday. Quiz number 9. A heavy tree trunk can be sawed into a 12-foot long piece in 1 minute. How long will it take to saw into 12 equal pieces? It will take 11 minutes to saw a tree trunk into 12 equal pieces. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.